Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Instagram messages not sending. For example, if you try to open Instagram messages and you want to send message to someone on Instagram, and after that you see that the messages are not sending. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, what you have to do, you have to go to general, and after that you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after doing that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. Now what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to go to general, and after that you have to click on iPhone storage, and you have to look for the Instagram app. And in Instagram app you have to simply click on offload the app, and after offloading the app you have to click on reinstall the app. And after reinstalling the app you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device, and after restarting your device you have to check now messages are sending or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply open the app store here, and in app store you have to simply search for Instagram app, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply report it to the Instagram help center. For this you have to simply click on profile, and you have to click on three lines here, and after that you have to look for help center, and here you have to click on that. And after that you have to simply report that problem to Instagram team. And after that you have to explain the problem, that what is the problem with you and why your messages are not sending. Moreover, you can also attach this screenshot of your problem, and after attaching the screenshot you can simply click on send, and your report will be submitted to the Instagram team, and they will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.